What's going on, YouTube? Travel Sentry 2 key locks. Secure and durable, recognized and accepted by the Transportation Security and Administration. TSA accepted. Travel Sentry approved. Pack more fun. Okay, so the new standard for locking check bags. Let's get a TSA code on the bottom. 007. Alrighty then. Each has a special identification mark loaded into the TSA that they can open it without destroying it. If a check bag inspection is necessary, each locked has a special TSA code. You'll be able to use this code and secure the tool to open it and relock it after inspection. So you go to Walmart and you buy this. I don't know the price right offhand. I can scan that real quick. I'm going to get about $6. Walmart does not have this currently in stock in my store. I scanned the barcode, and that's where they told me out of stock. We're not telling me price. So we're going to open this, and we're going to make this the second lock to attempt and pick. Seems like the packaging sometimes it's a lot harder to get into than to lock itself. Okay. So you can take and you can put this in your check luggage, and you can take and they'll be able to go, oh, it's 007. They can set their key up, tool up, and do that. Here's what the cut key looks like. Just to get an orientation and kind of see, got some square tabs it looks like. Yeah. There you go. Made in China. Alright, so let's see if we can just pick this, but it's a simple bar. I might have went too deep. I'm not going to be able to take and do that. Let's see here. Let's get this guy in here. Square tumbler. Okay, that's different. Did want to kind of get in here and be able to take and move this if possible. But I don't know if I can be able to get a pry bar in here small enough. That's the interesting part in there. Alright. Let's just... maybe I use the pry bar as the tool. Got it. Okay. So let's get in here and do some picking. Awful dinky. there we have it. She's picked. Just like that. Let's do the other one. This one's the same, it's 007. Go in there. Get the tension bar. We'll do 2 for 2. How's that sound? And that works quicker. So, sentry locks, 2 key locks. That's all it takes. I'm not a pro at this. This is my second lock. Very amateur. Something I'm going to be getting into and learning. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you next time. Subscribe if you will. We'll have fun.